Hey everyone, so today I will be showing you how to create your own ornament crown, can't pronounce it. I was in a festive mood and I was decorating my tree, and I kind of got the idea to create an ornament crown. It's like an echo. I just didn't really want to wear like reindeer ears or any of that stuff for Christmas. I wanted something different, so that's where I got the idea. It did not come out the way I intended in the first place, but it kind of worked out and it turned out to be sort of like a halo. So if you are interested on how this accident was created, please keep watching. If not, I'll see you at least later. But the materials that you will need are ornaments, of course. I stole it from my tree. You can use whatever it is you want to use. You'll need scissors, hot glue gun, headband, of course. I'm still searching for the right headbands to use. These are still pretty flimsy that I ordered, and I have a lot of them now, so we'll just make it work. What else? Did I say rhinestones? I don't know, but you'll also need a ribbon to kind of tie everything together and cover the glue that you're gonna use. This was stolen from my purse that I don't want anymore, so I just used the ribbon for that. So it wasn't necessarily what I wanted to use. I would use something that kind of went with the ornaments a little better, but use what you got. or go buy your own something. You got this. So yeah, we can start. Enjoyed watching. You know I don't know what I'm doing. I did not cover the ends of the headband because it doesn't stretch out completely, so I needed something to secure it to my head. So it would be a bit harder to do if I covered it with the thick ribbon. So if yours turns out the way that mine did, I would suggest not covering the entire thing because you're not going to see it anyways, and you need something to secure it onto your head. There's not much I can say or talk about it for anything else, so I guess have a wonderful night, morning, evening, or afternoon whenever you're watching, and I'll see you lovelies later.